Hi guys, I don't know who needs to hear this, but Samsung washing machine. Which one we've got here again? We've got the DMS300TRS. I just cleaned out these rotors, and it was quite disgusting actually. So it's really easy. This top basket, you just remove these clips on the front of the rails. We've got another one on this side. And then this whole basket pulls out. Okay. So this little tab here, you will see there's a straight edge. The straight edge was to tighten it. So just turn it the opposite direction. So as you would turn something loose to the left, and you can take it out. And then this whole thing comes off. So all of these, or a lot of these holes were blocked on mine. I'll show you now with what. So all I did was basically, I just stick my thumb in here just to make just to secure the hole, and I will hit it on the bottom, and then whatever was stuck in there will fall onto my thumb, and I can take it out. You would probably have to hit a little bit harder than I just did now, but that's the idea. Okay, and then the bottom one. Let me see if I can put my phone down so you can actually. Let me first go check in there. So here at the bottom, let me put on the. So there's a little ring here. It's also got tabs. So this tab once again is to tighten it. So you can loosen this whole silver rail here just by turning that tab. Let me check what direction it was. Yeah. So if you hold the tab and you turn the spout left, it turns out, and then you can do the same with the spout to clean it out. Now, this whole unit, if you are interested, there was nothing on mine to clean, but this whole thing can take out. So all you need to do is undo these two screws here, and then there's a clip in the back, and there's a clip on the top that you just open up, and then this whole plastic thing comes out. But there was nothing inside there, and anyways, at the end of the day, there's no way to get access to this little blade on the top. I did check. It looks like you can open it up there, but you can't. That was just to push in the clips to hold it in. So there's no way to take the small one out. So there's no way to clean that one. Okay, but anyways, we can put this one back. And then we just put our top basket back on. Just remember, it's got two sets of wheels, so just remember which set it was on, and to put it back into that same set. You can actually have this basket a bit lower or higher depending on which set of wheels you put it in. You put into the rail. So there's that one. Okay. We can just put our clips back. There you go. I just did a quick pre-wash just to rinse it out, but check what was in there. All of this stuff was in those blades. Were in those blades. There's the tabs to hold the bread closed. There's a piece of tomato in there. I have no idea if this is organic or what it was. Looks like might have been spinach or some leaf. some of the kids' stickers, the plastic from a straw on a juice box, and yeah, a bunch of crap which obviously stopped it from cleaning properly. Anyways, thanks for watching.